All right, 7:27 in the morning. Got to look at Mary Tess's 2003 CRV, or check engine light turned on again. Let's see what's going on this time. All right, we just got here, checking it out. Looks like her knock sensor went out. Last time it was the cat. Okay, you got 167,158 baby miles for a Honda like this. All right, just pulling up to the pad now. I'm gonna go ahead and pull the code and see what we got. Check engine lights back on. So, all right, still the same code. So, we can go ahead and replace that sensor. Go ahead and clear it now. All right, let's pop the hood. Get it ready for cool down. Okay, knock sensor is, of course, it's gonna be somewhere on the block. For this car, it's right by the starter. Gonna have to get down there. I'll get a better angle later. Let's get this dual action fan going on. Try to jack up the car in the air a little bit so I could get some space, and then take that knock sensor off. Got my handy dandy tool from Costco. So gotta take this cover off. Let's see if I can get in there. Oh man, all these pebbles coming off. Oh man, it's already missing 2 clips here. All right. Woo! Still can't barely see it from down here. Okay, there it is. There's the starter right there, right in the middle. Let's zoom in, there's the knock sensor. I had to wipe this subframe down, pretty oily. She has a couple oil leaks coming from the VTEC solenoid and the BTC screen filter thingamabopper. All right. You guys won't probably be able to see this because my hand's gonna be in the way, but I'm gonna unplug the knock sensor. It's just a tight squeeze. Right now I got a 90-degree pick, seeing if that'll help me out a little bit. And it is working. Got it. See the connector right there? Now I gotta get a socket that fits around that knock sensor. So I don't remember what size it was. It's been a while. My guess either a 27 or a 24. We'll see. All right, looks like it's a 27. God damn. Woo! I need my Wheaties. I didn't really get it when I actually broke it loose, but it's loose now. As you can see. So there's oil leaks coming from the VTEC solenoid and VTC screen, and possibly valve cover gasket. See if I can do it by hand now. Almost got it. Think we got it. Oh yeah, there it is. Ooh, this little sucker. Jeez. Why do they have to put you in a hard to reach place? And we're back. So now that we're starting to lose some sunlight, so I gotta put it back up in there. You can't see what I'm doing, but I'm using my fingers to put it in. Spin, 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 spin. All right, there it is. Just gotta tighten it up, plug it in, good to go. So as you can see, that's the knock sensor right there. Just gotta tighten up with a 27mm socket, and we'll be good to go. 27. There it is. Tighten it up. You gotta get the extension on there, or adapter. All right, don't need to be an animal. Pull the socket off, and then plug the sensor in. Easier said than done, because I can't see what to go by the feel. I got the connector position where it's supposed to be. Now I just gotta push it in and hear that little click. There you go. Did you hear that? Click. All right, done. Put this cover back on and we cool. All right, see it from here. Connector is in. Could you guys see that? Yep, right there. Vehicle does have some oil leaks. Let her know about that. The fun part. Put this cover back on. Alright, just put these clips back on. Nothing special. Next, we gotta check to see if the monitors would run complete. So we gotta monitor the monitors. So CAT, evap, O2, and heater are incomplete. So for the OBD2 check for the smog, California smog, evap could be the only one to run incomplete. I'm gonna take it on a drive. We gotta drop off the car anyway and go from there. I'm gonna go ahead and return the car. Let's see if we could get these monitors to run. I'm gonna take it on the freeway for a bit and see. Hopefully all monitors have ran and they could smog this thing. The smog is due next month, but they're one of the few that doesn't wait last minute, so we have time to get their car going. Looks like they are good to go. The only thing incomplete is the evap, and that's okay. So this thing is ready for smog. 2003 CRV knock sensor replacement. It was setting code P0325, and we cleared it and replaced the O2.